Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2022 Toyota 4runner. I want to show you how to reset the maintenance required light after an oil change. Very simple procedure. On the old like 1920 models, you were able to do them from these buttons. This is one of the older model style. So first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition to the on position. Go on trip 8, turn the ignition off. Then we're going to press the trip button, hold it, and turn the ignition on. You'll see the counter going backwards. All right, that means the light's reset. You can always turn the car off, start it, make sure no message shows up. All right, no maintenance light. That means the procedure went through. All right, thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.